Good morning, breakfast lovers. Today, we're here to help you kickstart your day with a burst of creativity and flavor. If you find yourself stuck in a breakfast rut, fear not, because we have 10 creative ways to upgrade your breakfast that will have you excited to jump out of bed every morning. From sweet to savory and everything in between, these mouth-watering ideas will add a dash of excitement to your morning routine. If you enjoy these breakfast upgrades, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content. So, without further ado, let's dive into these tasty breakfast inspirations. Number 1. Breakfast Burrito Bowl. Upgrade your breakfast game with a mouth-watering breakfast burrito bowl that's as colorful as it is delicious. This creative twist on a classic burrito combines all your favorite breakfast ingredients in a delightful bowl format. Start by preparing a fluffy scramble of eggs or tofu for our vegan friends and load it up with sautéed bell peppers, onions, and creamy avocado slices. Add a hearty helping of black beans for an extra dose of protein and fiber. Top it all off with a sprinkle of vegan cheese or your favorite dairy alternative. The real magic happens with a drizzle of zesty salsa or a luscious avocado dressing, infusing every bite with a burst of flavor. This breakfast bowl is not only visually stunning, but also a nutritious powerhouse that'll keep you energized and satisfied throughout your morning. Number 2. Overnight oats with chia seeds. For those busy mornings when you need a quick and wholesome breakfast, overnight oats with chia seeds come to the rescue. This make-ahead marvel is both delicious and time-saving. Simply mix rolled oats, chia seeds, your preferred plant-based milk, and a touch of sweetness in a jar or bowl. Let the mixture sit in the fridge overnight, and by morning, you'll have a thick and creamy oatmeal that's ready to be enjoyed. Customize your oats with a variety of toppings like sliced bananas, juicy berries, or a drizzle of nut butter for added texture and flavor. The chia seeds not only add a lovely crunch, but also pack a punch of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. This breakfast upgrade is a delightful way to start your day on a nutritious note without sacrificing precious minutes in the morning rush. Number 3. Stuffed French toast. Prepare to indulge in a breakfast favorite, taken to the next level stuffed French toast. Take 2 slices of thick brioche or whole grain bread and slather your favorite nut butter or fruit preserves between them. Dip the stuffed sandwich into a mixture of beaten eggs or a vegan alternative, and then pan fry until golden and crispy. Top with fresh berries, a dusting of powdered sugar, and a drizzle of maple syrup for a decadent and delightful breakfast treat that feels like dessert. Number 4. Veggie Packed Frittata. If you're looking to upgrade your omelet game, a Veggie Packed Frittata is the way to go. Whisk together eggs or a plant-based alternative with a splash of plant-based milk. Add sautéed onions, bell peppers, spinach, cherry tomatoes, and any other veggies you love. Pour the mixture into a greased oven-safe pan and bake until the frittata is fluffy and set. This savory delight not only showcases the vibrant colors of the vegetables, but also provides a filling and protein-rich breakfast that's perfect for feeding a hungry crowd. Number 5. Breakfast Parfait. A breakfast parfait is a delightful way to start your day with layers of goodness. In a glass or jar, alternate spoonfuls of creamy Greek yogurt or coconut yogurt with a mix of fresh fruits like berries, kiwi, and mango. Sprinkle granola or toasted nuts between the layers for added crunch. This visually stunning and wholesome breakfast is not only pleasing to the eye, but also a fantastic source of vitamins, minerals, and probiotics that will keep you feeling refreshed and energized. Number 6. Savory Breakfast Tacos. Forget about plain old cereal and say hello to savory breakfast tacos that'll spice up your morning routine. Warm up corn or flour tortillas and fill them with scrambled eggs or tofu, sautéed spinach, sliced avocado, and a sprinkle of vegan cheese or crumbled feta. Add a drizzle of hot sauce or salsa for a zesty kick. These tacos offer a delightful balance of flavors and textures that's perfect for those who prefer a savory start to their day. Number 7. Smoothie Bowl. Take your regular smoothie up a notch with a vibrant and Instagram-worthy smoothie bowl. Blend together your favorite combination of fruits, leafy greens, and plant-based milk until smooth. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and top it with sliced fruits, chia seeds, coconut flakes, and a handful of granola or muesli. This bowl is not only a refreshing and nutrient-dense breakfast, but also a fun and interactive way to experiment with different flavors and textures. Number 8. Savory Avocado Toast. Avocado toast gets a savory makeover that's perfect for those who prefer a saltier start to the day. Mash ripe avocado with a squeeze of lemon or lime juice and a pinch of salt and pepper. Spread the creamy avocado on toasted whole grain bread and top it with sliced cherry tomatoes, a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning, and a drizzle of olive oil. This simple yet satisfying breakfast is packed with healthy fats, fiber, and a burst of fresh flavors that'll keep you coming back for more. Number 9. Banana Pancake Dippers. Level up your pancake game with a fun and innovative twist banana pancake dippers. Mash ripe bananas and mix them with pancake batter until well combined. Pour the batter into a greased pan to form small, finger-sized pancakes. Once cooked, serve them with a side of warm maple syrup or a creamy chocolate dipping sauce for a breakfast that feels like a delightful treat. These dippers are not only adorable, but also a fantastic way to enjoy the classic pancake flavor in a portable and playful form. Number 10. Breakfast Sushi Rolls. Prepare to be amazed by our breakfast sushi rolls that combine the flavors of breakfast with the presentation of sushi. Spread a thin layer of almond butter or sunflower seed butter on a sheet of nori, seaweed, and top it with sliced banana, strawberries, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Roll it up tightly and slice into bite-sized pieces. These sushi rolls offer a unique and delightful way to enjoy your morning meal and are perfect for those who love to get creative in the kitchen. And there you have it, 10 creative ways to upgrade your breakfast that are sure to make your mornings more enjoyable and delicious. From savory to sweet, these breakfast ideas offer something for everyone to savor and savor. Let us know which one you're excited to try in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found these breakfast inspirations helpful. Thanks for watching.